What's over there? It's all fish?
Oh, money.
A pond. Yeah, there's your money inside.
That's money.
You want money? Okay, just a moment.
Dad.
You want another one?
The big one.
A big one? Okay, hold on. A small one. Make a wish. Oops. Did it go inside? Okay, let's go. Let's go to Papa. Let's check the food. Slide? No, the slide's over there. Let's go. Look, there's a train. You pass the other side. Other side, come here. Forward. What's that? You're gonna ride a train? Conductor ka? Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Wait. Whee! Are you having fun? What are you sitting on? It's called a duyan. It's a swing. It's a local swing. Yeah, you can lie down there and sleep if you want. You can lie down and sleep if you want. You wanna sleep? No? You wanna sleep there? On the pillows? With the mattress down on the floor? So right now we're in Midway, Passi. There's a farm over there, an organic farm. There are dining huts. And there's an old truck over there. There's a pool. There are more dining huts around here. And then Niño's back. What are you doing? You're laying down. You're gonna sleep? You gonna sleep here? No? Do you wanna go to the children's village? Go show them? We'll videotape it. But we can't go inside, okay? Can't go in because they said you can't play while it's raining. You can't play. Next time we'll come back, okay? So look, there's a church. There's a church there. See a church? Over there. And then there's a mini church. And then over here, come here, Nance. Come here, come here. Over here, there's a small house. I don't know what's inside because it's covered. Then there are some tire obstacle courses there. There's a wishing well. Is that a wishing well? It's just a well. There's a well. You see the one? It's surrounded by calamansi bushes.
This?
Yeah, that's the well. Come on, let's go. Another house here with a kitchen, I think, and a dining area.
A toy.
Yeah, they have toys. Too bad you can't play. One. It's a stable. It's a stable with wooden horses. Niño, you wanna ride the horse next time? Okay. There's a playground. There's an excavation area, construction area, where there are shovels and cars. Look at the swing, Niño. It's a tire swing. Look, it's a tire swing. It's a tire swing. There's a slide. The swing over there. Look, that swing there. It's made of tires. You see it? And then there's a slide. We can't go inside though, it's locked. Come on, let's go. Let's show them the train. No, I'm not a doctor. No, look, here's the train. Here's the back of the train. And then you just go over there. We're going to go over there. Yeah, it's open. Go inside. It's wet. It's there waiting for our food. You're a conductor?
Look, Mama.
What's there? It's a children's village. But it's locked. There's a railroad crossing sign. Can you close it? No, can't be moved. Hi, Niño. You're a conductor? You're a train conductor? Where are you going? Can I hitch a ride? Okay, I'll go there. Just a second.
Hmm?
Say behind you. Just a second. This here.
Hey, Miss.
Okay, I'm a passenger behind Niño in the train. Whee! Choo-choo train.
Ah! Cars flying!
There are cars over there.
Drop popping! No, drop popping. I just popping, baby! Oh.
So next time we're coming back, okay? And you're gonna play inside when it's not raining anymore. Because they locked it. They locked the door. You can't go inside. Okay? Let's go to Papa. You know what this is? It's made of crocodile meat. You gonna eat it? You need fries? Fries instead? No? Let's wash hands first, okay? Bye! Say bye! Wait, bye!